First of all, we need to download the Arduino IDE. Open your browser and go to arduino.cc, the official website for Arduino. Click on the home page. Once you're on the home page, click on the software tab in the top navigation. Okay, now we're gonna go for the download options. Here you'll see different download links for various operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. Today in this video we're going to download the version of Windows. Before the download starts, you'll see an option to make a donation to Arduino project. Arduino is open source and donation helps support its development. But this step is completely optional. If you'd like to skip it, just click just download at the bottom. As you can see, the downloads started. This may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and double click the installer. If you get a security prompt, just click yes. Now you'll see the setup wizard. Click next to continue, then read and accept the terms. Okay, choose the installation folder or leave it as default. Click install and the Arduino IDE will start installing. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is done, click finish. You can now open the Arduino IDE from your desktop or start menu. When you open the Arduino IDE for the first time, okay, as you can see, a clean interface with a coding area in the center and some basic options at the top like file, edit, sketch, and more. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in details in a future video. Okay, for now, make sure that you select your Arduino board. We are working on Arduino Uno. Search for Arduino Uno board and select it, then press OK. Okay, now that the IDE is installed, let's connect your Arduino board. Okay, first of all, take your USB cable and plug one end into your Arduino and the other end into your computer. Using this USB cable to connect your Arduino Uno to your computer, the power LED on the board should light up, indicating that it's receiving power. Okay, let's quickly test the setup with a built-in example. First, go to File, then Examples, and select Basics, then select Blink Example. Blink. Okay, this is the simplest example that makes the onboard LED on your Arduino blink on and off. Make sure that you are selecting the Arduino Uno board. Go to Tools and select the used port. For example, here we are using COM3. Now click the Upload button. Once the upload is complete, the onboard LED will start blinking, confirming everything is working perfectly.